everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Tutorials, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password for your online banking account for LandBank in Philippines. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and it's working properly. Then go ahead and open up a web browser. On the search bar, type in landbank.com, then press enter. And once you land on this page, scroll down, then click on the option that says iAccess. Now to reset your password, you have to click on the link that says forgot password, which is right here. Now type in your iAccess ID here, and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, you should be directed to another page where they'll further guide you on how you can reset your password for your online banking account for LandBank in the Philippines. Make sure to follow all the steps carefully and you should be able to successfully reset your password. That is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.